Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to scan QR codes using your HP OmniBook 7 Flips web camera. So first of all, we have to make sure that the camera of the laptop is opened. So make sure to move the camera shutter to the right. And after that, we're gonna have to open the default camera application, find it in the start menu, and open it. Give the camera access to your microphone, camera of course, and optionally the location. After that, you have to select the barcode option on the sidebar, and then you're gonna have to face your QR code to the laptop's camera. Then you can follow the link or copy the text that was embedded into this QR code and, for example, use it or using the browser. And in my case, it transfers us to the HardReset.Info website. And that's how you scan QR codes. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.